2 and then expand this loft 2. Select this sketch, then press convert entities. Now select all the entities and then offset entities. Offset distance is 2 mm and in the reverse direction. Base geometry option is checked. Press OK button. Save and exit from sketch mode. Now create a new plane. Select this face as a first reference and flip offset. Offset distance is 2 mm and then press OK button. Now sketch on this new plane and then make normal to and draw a circle like this. Now define the distance between this circle and this arc and it is 2 mm. Press escape button, then select this arc and this circle. Make their relation concentric. So now you can see our sketch is fully defined. Save and exit from sketch mode. Again go to features tab and from features tab select loft cut. Select this profile and this profile. Now press OK button. So now what we have to do, first of all we have to hide this plane. Now we have to apply linear pattern for this loft cut and loft. So click on linear pattern, then select this edge for the direction 1 and this edge for the direction 2. For features and faces, drop down these options and from here select loft 2 and cut loft 2. For direction 1, we have the distance of instances 60 mm and the quantity is 6. And for direction 2, the distance is 53 mm and quantity is 5. Now press OK button to apply the linear pattern command. So almost done. Now we have to sketch on this face, then make normal to and draw a corner rectangle. Start it from in the mid of this line or this polygon like this. So now we have to make a vertical relation between this point and this point. Similarly, we have to make a horizontal relation between both of these points. Same step for this side. So now you can see the sketch is fully defined. Now draw another rectangle like this. Press escape button and then go to features tab and from here select extrude cut. Extrude it like this. Then press OK button. So here you can see we have holes like this. So to close these holes, again draw a sketch on this face and then make normal to. Now draw corner rectangle like this, another corner rectangle from here up to this point. Go to features tab and then extrude it. Rotate the view and just double click on this face. Press OK button. So now once again we have to create a sketch on this face, then make normal to. Now draw sketch by using line command. start it from here, just like this. Now select all these entities and from here click on this button or arrow in front of move entities, select copy entities. Then from to click on this box and start it moving from here. Again press enter button to make the copy of these entities. Select this box from to just copy paste all these lines. So for this we have to create a sketch. Press OK button. Now go to Features tab and from Features tab select Extruded Boss Base command. Extrusion thickness is 2 mm. Then press OK button. So you can see we have closed this side. Similarly, we have to create the sketch on this face. So instead of making the sketch just like this side, we can make the converted entities option. So expand the boss extrude 4 and from here select sketch 12, then select convert entities. Now go to Features tab and from here select Extruded Boss Base command and extrusion thickness is 2 mm. So now we have to make the similar sketch on this face. Sketch on this face. So we have closed this side, but now we are going to close this side and this side. So now we have to make a sketch on this face. Now make normal to and then use line command to close this sketch. So now make the copy paste. Copy entities and from move from to select this corner and paste it here. Again copy entities, select this point and paste it here. Again copy entities, so now make a sketch on this side. Go to Features tab and apply Extruded Boss Base command. Extrusion thickness is 2 mm. Press OK button. So now sketch on this face and then scroll down. From here expand the boss extrude 6 and select its sketch number 14. This sketch. Then select convert entities. Go to Features tab and from here select Extruded Boss Base command and extrusion thickness is 2 mm. Press OK button. So we are almost done. Now we have to make a sketch on this face. Then press Ctrl+8 key for normal to and then draw a rectangle. Press escape button. Now define the distance between this line and the rectangle, and it is 20 millimeter. Similarly, distance between both of these lines, and it is 20 millimeter. Also define this side 20 millimeter, and this side it is 20 millimeter. So our sketch is fully defined. Now we have to make another rectangle just bigger than the whole part. Press escape button. Now go to features tab, and from here select extruded cut command. Cut it from throughout. Now press OK button. So now one last step, select this face and sketch on it. Make normal to and draw a rectangle like this. Go to features tab and apply extruded bow space command, and in the reverse direction. Now the length of the extrusion, double click on this face, and after that check this option thin feature. Type here wall thickness, and it is 3 millimeter. Now press OK button. One last step, that we have to select fillet command. Define fillet radius, and it is 10 millimeter. Select all these edges one by one. Also select this edge and this edge. So flip the view orientation, and now select all these 4 edges of this side. Now press OK button. So our egg tray has been designed in SolidWorks. Now we have to make we have to change the appearance of this egg tray. So for that I'm going to apply the material. So right click on the materials just below the annotations, and then select edit material. From here expand the woods, and in the woods I'm going to select balsa. Now press apply and then close. So here we go. I hope you had enjoyed and learned from this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and just stay tuned, because in the next video I'm going to make the forming tool for this egg tray. Basically a forming tool is a punching machine, which means that whenever someone inserts a piece of paper, it will create such type of egg tray when hydraulic pressure will be applied on that punching machine. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching and sparing time.